Nadia Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking in on your boy. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Did you hit the subscribe button? It's right down there. Look like a Supreme Box logo. Hit that for your boy, man. I'm giving away a giveaway. Supreme red hand warmers as soon as I get to 2,000 subscribers. So let's get there ASAP. I don't know what I'm at right now. I don't count the numbers, but let's get there ASAP. Today's video is about something I've just been thinking. You know, as a sneakerhead, you have crazy thoughts. So I was thinking, what if our metallic Jordan 5s never existed and the off-white 5s was the only kind of black metallic 5s we knew about? Will we still be in love? I don't know, man. So that's what I want to talk about today. As we know, the Fire Red 5s is set to re-release the first week of May. This pair here, I think I brought way back in 2013, 2012 maybe. I don't know. Fact check that for me. In the description below, let me know what year the Fire Reds last released. I think it was 2013, but I'm not sure. But these release May 2nd or the first week of May, the first Saturday in May. These are back. But something happened while I was watching the documentary, The Last Dance Chicago Bulls. Sneakers Act, they shot. And I knew they was. I told wifey, we was sitting down in the living room getting ready to watch the documentary. I said something's gonna happen. Cause one, J23 kept blowing up my phone. Soul Links kept sending out tweets. Make sure your app is right. So I knew for sure these were gonna shock drop. And your boy got them. I was quick on that one, man. Shouts out to J23. Shouts out to Soul Link. Go check them out. Go follow them. But these are set to release in the first week of May, and I'm not sure how much I like really care. I mean, I still have this pair super clean. I mean, it's yellowing, of course. That's what these are known for. They're going to yellow. So that's why when Virgil decided to do his version, he already made them yellow. As you can see, the hit stairs already yellowed. Bottom. He already yellowed the sneaker out to make it look like what will happen in the near future. As you can see, these ones are not that yellow. I keep them in these crepe crates away from the sunlight as much as I can. But that's what's going to eventually happen. But let's get to what the video is actually about. I want to show all the differences in the OG metallic blacks in Virgil's version. But before we do that, you know we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video with you, the viewer. Go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. I'm still just lounging in the crib, so all these videos you see this week, even to the next week, due to the coronavirus and the stay-home laws, I'm going to have on a hoodie and slides. And in this video, I got on my Scarface joints. Super dope, super comfortable. I want to try them Boost slides. In the comment section below, let me know if you own them Adidas Boost slides. Let me know if they're as comfortable as advertised. But today I got on the Scarface joints. These are one of like the famous slides. You know, Nike come out with slides all the time, but some of them hit. And these ones right here, the Scarface joints, is a must-have if you're into the movie. So that's what I got on foot today in the comment section below. Let me know what you got on foot whenever you catch this video. Now, back to the video. As you can see, this is like the blueprint. Virgil took this as the blueprint and he did his thing, man. So as you can see on the off-white pair, instead of just having a regular visible window, Virgil actually put a hole puncher inside of it. And you can actually push this out if you want, and it will show your socks. which I mean, it's not a must-have, but I think it's dope. Virgil's always dope with what he decides to do. Next, it's the tongue. That 3M reflective tongue is what makes Jordan 5s Jordan 5s, along with your ice piece right here. We never knew what this meant, but we just called it ice, and everybody ran with it. But this tongue 3M was the highlight of the sneaker, if you ask me. So what did Virgil do? He kept it OG, but what did he do? He added another hole to the tongue. Also, he yellowed this. He yellowed the ice piece. Now, granted, on any of my old Jordan 5s, the ice piece is one piece that haven't yellowed. Let's double check that.
A few moments later.
So on my right hand right here is your Lanny Jordan 5s. Forgot when they last released. I think it was maybe 2016 or 15. But looking at the ice piece, still clear, baby. Still clear. And again, the fire red joints, ice piece is still clear. So Virgil yellowing that piece probably was an afterthought because he yellowed everything else. But the ice piece is one thing that didn't yellow yet on any of my older pairs. Now going towards the bottom, you have like that fire there, but I think it's a design after a jet. Man, my soles is clear, baby. Those is clear soles, man. Virgil kept it OG with that. As you can see, same design at the bottom. Virgil didn't do anything yet. As you can see, my soles are clearer because Virgil already yellowed it and you know, made it look antique-ish already. As far as this 23 on the back, most Jordan 5s don't come with that. Granted, the fire red don't, the metallic 5s don't, but the Lanny's did. Right here on the back tab, this is your metallic 5s. These are the Virgil off-white 5s. Both sport that Nike Air on the back. Gotta have a Nike Air on the back, man. I didn't even double check if the fire reds have the Nike Air on the back because the pair that I showed y'all that came out in 2013 or 2012. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. Has the little Jordan mans.
No.
This is what we want. As far as the toe box, granted this is a new buck and Virgil put like a screening net mesh material on his. I will go with the mesh material only because we seen nubuck in so many sneakers, so many Jordan colorways. I like how he put the mesh on here. Similar, same netting as the Vapor Street off-whites and also them other ones with the claws and all that on them. I actually own the colorway. I gotta check it out. So yeah, I don't know why my crazy mind wanted to compare these. I really love these sneakers, OG metallic 5s, but I love Virgil's spin on this sneaker. Let me know in that comment section below, did you cop these? Are you looking to cop? I seen numbers go from 1,500 to 1,000 to 500. Now they back up to 800. I'm telling you guys, if y'all want this sneaker, I would get it, sit, and hold, man. Just my opinions. Again, on foot today, I got on the Scarface slides in the comment section below. Let me know what you're rocking on foot when you caught this video. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get to that 2,000 subs so I could give away this Suprema hand warmer because it looks like we're not going to have regular seasons in New York no more. Winter wasn't cold. We might not have no summer due to the coronavirus. It's just all messed up, man. Everybody stay safe, stay in the house, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. Know the vibes.